When you live in a place as beautiful as Park City, your windows shouldn't just frame the view. They should protect your home and save you money too. That's why more homeowners are looking for affordable window installation in Park City they can trust. Maybe you've been searching for a way to buy vinyl windows and want a cost estimate in Park City that won't blow your budget. Or you're building your dream home and wondering about the new home window price in Park City. Either way, you deserve clear answers and fair prices. The truth is, energy-efficient, affordable home windows in Park City can transform the way you live. Old windows can let in drafts, leak heat, and spike your energy bills. Replacing them doesn't just add beauty, it gives you comfort all year long, and real savings you'll notice every month. So how do you get started? It's easy. Get a home window replacement quote in Park City from a local team that cares about quality and your wallet. We make it simple to compare options, choose the right styles, and feel confident you're making the best investment for your family. Vinyl windows are durable, low maintenance, and designed to handle Park City's weather. Plus, they look great and boost your curb appeal without costing a fortune. If you've been putting off this upgrade, now is the perfect time. Get a clear new home window price in Park City and see how affordable your project can be. Ready to feel the difference? Discover the easiest, most affordable window installation Park City has to offer. Call today. Get your free estimate 435-800-0625 or visit parkcityaffordable-windows.com and start enjoying a home that's warmer, brighter, and more efficient, just the way it should be.